It's often really easy to just be hungry and binge on the wrong things, so I make sure that I have snacks, and I find berries to have a very good nutritional profile. They're really high in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. I talk about this all the time, and it could really help to reverse certain chronic diseases. So I take this most times if I feel a bit hungry when I break my fast. And this is a meal prep, which will stay in the fridge for a couple of days, about 3 to 4 days. From experience, weekends are the best times for you to meal prep for the week. Whatever you feel you can pick up and just go, a grab and go lunch, a grab and go snack. I tend to do my lunches in bulk on like a Saturday and have it for the week, and then today is just days for my snacks. So I'm having some oats. I have raw oats, rolled oats, with some more of that low-fat Greek yogurt and any fruits I can find. I had these mangoes that were going off, so I used them. I always add chia seeds and hemp seeds to keep me full longer, and of course with the nutritional benefits. And I add agave nectar so that it feels like a dessert, and that's me done. I've got 6 days worth of desserts or snacks for the week, and they're all healthy, low in calories, and very tasty. It's almost a guarantee that when I'm doing a meal prep, I must add some sort of juice. This is a wellness shot, an immune boosting wellness shot, and I use a lot of oranges. I basically go to the shop and I look for oranges that I believe are sweet. I have a method that I check, which I'll share another video. I add a lot of ginger because it gives it that kick, and ginger is really good for to act as an anti-inflammatory component. It helps if you have any inflammations, if you're going to the gym, and it keeps you well, and it's also very well packed with the right nutrients. And then so it's easy. It's just some ginger. If you have turmeric, that's great, and a bit of lemon, maybe 3 lemons, and loads of oranges. And I'll have this in the morning for the week, and I've got a week's worth. This is the time of the year where you need this, and I'll tell you why in a minute. Hello guys, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? I've just finished doing my immune boosting shots and I feel I'm exhausted. I've broken my fast. It's about maybe 2 p.m. and I've had one of this. If I don't use this, I'll normally use a green juice, or I'll have my apple cider lemon and ginger tea, or just water for hydration. My fasting is going okay. The challenges have reduced. I've gotten more used to the grind of things. I think it's on the 18th today. The routine is getting there. And yes, so that is how I meal prep as well, like you've seen, for the week. I've done some snacks like you saw. I try to do it as early as possible, so when I feel pecked, just pick up one of the bowls and I eat. You can stay in the fridge for 3 to 5 days, like I already said. That's so good. I try to get these immune booster shots now because of the weather. We're getting into that season where we would have cold and flus and all of that wonderful stuff. So these immune boosting shots are good to have maybe once a month. And I also did some prep for fruits in season. I buy them reduced and just package them in airtight containers, and it lasts me for a while, again like a snack. So I'll put together my lunch later. I'm not sure. I'll probably eat what the whole house is eating today. I'm not going to cook anything special. We're having puff puff and beans, but I'll stay away from the puff puff just because I'm trying to be really good, and I'll have beans. Maybe I'll boil myself either sweet potatoes or quinoa or bulgur, one of them. So I'll see you guys in the video. How are you all doing anyway? If you enjoyed this video at the end, you know what to do. Right, I'll see you in the vlog. Sunday meal for the family happens to be a lot of puff puff and beans. I have shared a full puff puff recipe on this channel, and I'll pin it up. And we had black beans with it, so I fried some tomatoes, onions, some mixed peppers, celery, parsley, all of that stuff, garlic, ginger, and then some onions, and I added the black beans and the spicing, and I cooked it for a while, and that's what the family had with puff puff. It's a popular Cameroonian street food. I wouldn't show you the whole recipe, but I had this, and I had a twist because I did not want the puff puff because it's just mainly sugar, and I'm trying to reduce my carbs to lose weight. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. I've just had my shower and I feel good. I'm about to eat. I'm still cooking for the kids, but I don't want to wait too long to break my fast because it is 4 o'clock and I need to stop eating by 5. So I'm going to have this and maybe have one of my desserts I made earlier about 6 o'clock. This is kidney beans. Kidney beans, bulgur wheat, and some avocado. I always like to add healthy fats, and there's no chicken or beef or anything like that today. It's just plant protein and plant-based meal. So I'll tuck in and I'll see you guys soon. I'm still cooking and multitasking. Great outdoors, forever free. And this is lunch for the rest of the family. My kids love puff puff and beans. The whole family does, my hobby. And yes, they enjoyed the meal while I had mine as well. And this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, give us a like and see you in the next video. Bye.